So hello guys, welcome again. Kindly read the disclaimer, updated one. So in this video we are going to talk about value when keyword, because many people were asking me on the YouTube video comment section that value when keyword is not working properly if we want to use with moving average, crossover, high low break, and it only works for 1 or 2 candles after crossover happens, and it don't work if after crossover 3 or 4 candles have happened already. And one people told me liar also. So here you can see that this guy wanted to have the same concept of value end. So I told him that use value end, that will solve the purpose. So one guy was telling me that you are lying and this doesn't work, so don't waste your time. And another thing is, many people have told me that EMA crossover don't work with value end. Like here same guy is telling that I have tried making this strategy many times again and again, but when the highs breach after 4 to 5 candles, it doesn't take any entry. So if something don't work, try to find fault in yourself first, rather than finding fault in someone else code or strategy. So I thought let's make one testing video to whether value when keyword works properly or not with EMA crossover. So as we can see in indicators, mostly we have EMA crossover, this EMA cross indicator by default in many charting platform. So this is a Tradetron provided trading view chart. So I have applied this EMA cross in the 15-minute time frame of Nifty Bank spot, and as you can see, the upside crossover has happened here on this candle, right? Day before yesterday on 20th March 3 PM candle. So currently market is trading here. So if I use LTP, means current price is greater than whenever last crossover happened on upside, it should take entry, right? Because as per this guy's logic, it will not take entry if high is breach after 4 or 5 candles. So that should not be happened, right? So let's make one strategy on 15-minute time frame, one basic strategy. Why it's happening like this? Seems like some issue. So LTP of Bank Nifty is greater than or equal to value when EMA crossed above EMA high, right? So last crossover it will check and add the instrument name. So Bank Nifty spot, right? And from EMA 9 and in another EMA select 26, and from symbol select 15-minute time frame. From instrument name again select Nifty Bank spot. Same way here also Nifty Bank spot, and high of 15-minute time frame whenever crossover happened. So again Nifty Bank spot. So this is basically condition for buying side, and then we will buy a call. Right, and one lot ATM. So this is basically a strategy for testing purpose only, and we will add one more set for sell side also. So paste it here and change the parameters like from greater than to less than, and move it here like this, and in value when crossed below, and here we will, whenever lower side crossover happens, we will exit when low of that candle where crossover happened breaches, right? So here also add our time frame and our instrument name, which is Nifty Bank spot, right? And this will be our entry condition for put side also, right? As you can see. So copy this, paste it here, and our entry condition for call side will be our exit condition for put side. So add one position, or you can simply copy this call position, paste it here, and select instrument, and in option type select put, and simply update this. So our strategy is ready. As you can see, let's deploy this. If this guy's comment is right, our call side entry should not happen at this junction, because after this crossover happened, there are many candles, as you can see, have happened already. So let's update this and deploy this for testing purpose. Let's deploy in 5x and in Kotak Securities. So let's check. So as you can see, our call side entry have happened already currently, as soon as we have, and we will, from notification log you can get what was the high when crossover happened also. So that is 39,406. Let's check that. The high is, you can see here, this is crossover candle, so you can check 39,406, right? So it stores the value until another upside crossover will happen. So this disproves the theory of this guy that value when keyword is not working, right? Now let's check on lower time frame also whether downside crossover have happened or not. So for that I think we will change some parameters of EMA like 3 and 9. Let's take that. So as you can see here, downside crossover have happened. So let's change the let's exit this first, and we will change the time frame also from 15 minutes to on 1 minute, and EMA will be 3 and 9. So let's check that. Let's clear all the doubts of all the people who are having who are doubting the intention of other people without finding fault in themselves. There can be fault in anyone, but directly don't doubt. First check properly. Let's copy this and paste this in the put side, exit, and here also EMA will be 3 and 9. This is for testing purpose only. This is not a strategy video, so don't directly go and copy this strategy and then tell me that the strategy is not good, not working, etc. I think I forgot to change the time frame in the call side also, so let's change that also. 1 minute, okay, that's done. 3 and 9, okay, it's perfect. So from here also copy this and paste in call side and update this. Now again let's check first. Yes, this is below the low of this candle, crossover candle, so it should take the put side entry. So let me reactivate again the strategy. So I have reactivated. As you can see, immediately it have taken the entry in put side. After that guys comment that after 3 or 4 or 5 candles, if high or low is breach, it doesn't take any entry. So this is live example in the live market, as you can see, right? 4 or 5 candles have already happened, and after that again it have taken entry in put side. And if we see from notification logs, we can see the low value whenever the lower side crossover happened was at 39,955. So let's check that. You can check from here. So 39,955, right, from here. So this is the low of this crossover. So guys, most of the videos which I upload on the YouTube are uploaded after some amount of testing only, so rather than doubting my intentions and telling me liar, we should first check our strategy codes with patience properly. And there can be mistakes in my code also, I'm not denying that, but directly don't doubt the intention of a person who have tested any strategy or any keyword properly, and then he is putting his video on YouTube. So I hope this helps. Let's I'm pausing this video for some moment, and then I guess we will conclude this. So as you can see here, this was the upside crossover entry candle. As soon as LTP crossed upside also, right, upside crossover, it have taken entry in call side also now. And as you can see, exit entry are happening again and again in put and call side because of these fluctuations, right? But the intention was to know whether value and keyword is working properly or not. for this looping purpose you need to add net quantity, position details. So that was not the purpose of this video. And kindly directly I deleted the strategy. Kindly directly not use only this condition for EMA crossover. You need to add position details, you need to add net quantity, you need to add other conditions also with your any kind of crossover, EMA or crossing above or below, open, high, low, etc. But the purpose was, I guess, successful of making this video, that value when keyword is working properly. So rather than doubting again and again, change the psychology on positive side, and I guess learn better and trade better. So thank you. See you in next video.